That is, write a program which accept a number from keyboard and find the sum of the digit and average of the digit. So here I have clicked on BlueJ. BlueJ is a software where we used to run Java. So it is opening up. The screen of BlueJ will look like this. We will create new class. I have already told you what are the steps to create a new class. So we need to create a class as average. हमें एक क्लास बनाना है जिसका नाम हो average. We will make the name of the class as average. Here you can see we have this class. We will double click upon it. We will open it. Control A, delete. This is a step we need to do in every program. We will start writing the program, that is class average. This is the name of the class average. हमें एक प्रोग्राम बनाना है जिसमें क्या करना है, जो जिस विच एक्सेप्ट द नंबर फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड, जो एक्सेप्ट करेगा नंबर फ्रॉम कीबोर्ड मीन्स यूजर जो डालेगा, एंड फिर वो क्या करेगा, उसको कैलकुलेट करेगा उसका सम ऑफ डिजिट, जितना डिजिट होगा उसका सम, और एवरेज ऑफ द डिजिट, जितना डिजिट होगा इसका एवरेज. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ मेथड दैट इज public void min int n. Here it is, we have an error. We need to give opening close opening braces. Now I have taken this method public void min. I have taken an parameter n. I have told you that whatever variable we will take inside a bracket, those will be the parameter. We will take some variable which we will be requiring, that is we will take int digit. Int will be the data type, digit जो है variable का नाम है. Then j, we will take another variable. We will take another variable s, which will be integer type. We will take the value of s as 0. Then we will take another variable which will be of double type. We will write the name of the variable as average. Then we will take another variable I which will be initializing with 0. We will write a message system dot out dot println. We will be taking a message system dot out dot println. Inside double quotes we will be writing the number is, मतलब ये मैसेज एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पे आएगा, और यूजर जो भी नंबर डालेगा वो यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले होगा. द नंबर इज equals to double quotes plus n. This is the technique how we are declaring a variable, how we are writing a message. And again we will print a message. System dot out dot println is used to print a message. We will be typing double quotes inside slash n for new line, double quotes closed and semicolon. We will use while loop. while we will be using while loop. क्या होता है, एंट्री कंट्रोल लूप होता है. मीन्स ये कंडीशन को पहले चेक कर लेता है, फिर ये लूप के अंदर में घुसता है. तो लूप के अंदर हम लिखेंगे डिजिट इक्वल्स टू, हमने जो वेरिएबल लिया है n परसेंटेज, n परसेंटेज, यहाँ पे हमें स्पेस लेना है, n%10, मतलब जो भी नंबर हम लेंगे वो 10 से डिवाइड होगा. मैंने आपको मॉड्यूलस और डिवीजन ऑपरेटर का डिफरेंस बताया था कि मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर क्या करता है और डिवीजन ऑपरेटर क्या करता है. वी विल टेक अनदर वेरिएबल s, एंड वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, जो डिजिट होगा उसको ऐड करेंगे. हियर वी आर गेटिंग एन एरर 10. What error it is, digit as reached end of a while loop. Now digit, then we will write n equals to, we will use division operator here, n by 10. I equals to I plus 1 semicolon. We will be using semicolon, then we will close, then we will, after this, we will close this parenthesis. We will print a message. System dot out dot. We will print a message system dot out dot println the sum of the digit of the number, double quotes, the sum of the digit of the the sum of the digit of the number equals to double quotes plus s double closing semicolon system dot. So here we will write average. Average equals to double inside bracket we will write s by, हम किसका एवरेज निकालेंगे, s by I का, s में जो वेरिएबल है और I में जो वेरिएबल है उसका एवरेज निकालेंगे. देन वी विल राइट अ मैसेज system dot out dot println. We will write a message system dot out dot println average of digits equals to double quotes plus average. Like this we will be writing average. We will be closing this bracket and then this. Let's see whether we have done correct programming or not. We will compile the program. We got an error. What error we have reached? End of a while loop. Then what should we do? Again we'll try to compile. I think this program is compiled here. So now we will close it. This is the program average. As you can see, no crisscross, no red line is there, so means we don't have any error here. We will right click here, new average. We will press enter. Then here downside I have told you one red color icon will come where we will right click void main int and we will give the value of n, that is 10. Enter. You can see the number is 10, the sum of the digit of the number is 1 and average of the digit is 0.5. So this is the program how to execute, how to find out sum of the digit and average of the digit. प्रोग्राम में क्या करना है वो मैं आपको पहले समझा चुकी हूँ. This is how we will execute the Java program in BlueJ. I hope you'll understand. Thank you very much.